My name is Tippy, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this split same figure 8 box with a 3D element in it. But that takes forever to say, so we're just going to call this flip the switch. Flip the switch, baby. So let's say that there are 2 boxes in this top row up here, and that there are 2 boxes in this bottom row down here. That's 4 boxes if you can do math. Let's start with our staffs forming a straight line down our body, one palm facing up and one palm facing down, and they're going to do a little flippy switch, side view, woo! And then we're going to slide our staffs past each other, forming horizontal line, one in the top row, one in the bottom row, and then they're going to slide past each other again, forming vertical lines. Then we gotta flip that switch, baby, and when we flip the switch, we gotta get a side view. There it is. Now your staffs are going to come in toward each other, one sticking to the top row, the other one in the bottom row, and then they're going to move toward each other one more time, forming a straight line down your body. You can do another little flippy switchy, and now you're back where you started. And if you want, you can go the opposite direction and just reverse everything I just told you. Just do everything I told you, but in reverse, because it's good to learn things both ways, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching.